What in the ghetto? I had these overalls for a minute. I'm surprised they still fit.
Barely.
You always need your options, honey. Just mind you, I'm only going there for 2 seconds. Y'all, I'm at the place. I'm at the place.
Is there a reason you got a camera on you? You know about this?
People, I know been a long time, but I am here. I am back. So in this video, you are going to be coming with me to all my appointments because guess what? I'm going out of town this weekend. I am going to Tampa, Florida. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be lit. I'm getting my hair done, my nails done, my wax, the normal things or whatever, man. Right now, I'm on my way to my hair appointment. I am getting a butterfly lock. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Pam. Yes, ham. Yes, turkey. So let's rock and roll, ladies. Time went by.
If I was your best friend, till I'll be your best friend. If you promise you'll be mine, you'll promise you'll be mine.
Teacher, babe, but I can teach you something. I ain't a doctor, but I can make you feel better. Yeah. Let me turn on the AC. My bad. Right now at the nail salon. I just came from the mall. This is my hair. I didn't even show y'all my hair, y'all, because I'm so tender-headed. I'm dramatic. So my hair, it's like sore, and it's not even that bad, but it's terrible for me. I can't even get jiggy with it, but I like it. I think it's so cute. So yeah, so this is my hair. I did my lip edges or whatever. Let me see if I could just put this down. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I hate this part. I hate this part right here.
I hate this part right here.
That's embarrassing. I went to the mall, like I said. First I went to H&M. They didn't really have anything. Then I remember I did an online shopping spree a few months ago. So I was like, let me not overdo it. I just really want some like jeans, some bottoms. I left H&M and I went to Charlotte Russe because I remember Charlotte Russe probably has cheaper pants prices. And I got these jeans right here. These boyfriend jeans. Y'all can't really see it. They were $20, so it came up to like $29 to be exact, and that was way better than H&M prices because H&M prices was like $39.99 before taxes. $20 discount. So y'all better go for them little sales, okay? Baby, I gotta go in my budget. I don't overdo it. Yeah, so I don't know what color I'm gonna get on my nails. I'm probably gonna get a soft pink because that's my go-to. It's springtime, so I can either do yellow, but I just did yellow, baby blue, pink, or purple, or white. Those are my colors I'm always gonna get. And nude. So nude, pink, purple, yellow, white, nude. Those are like the only colors I'll get, and they all have to be light, not the dark colors, light colors. So these are my nails right now. I'm not getting any fake nails. I don't want any acrylics. I want to try to get my nails strong because my nails are weak. I don't really care too much for long nails. I like the simple, not like the dramatic overdoing the nails. Now don't get me wrong, they cute now. I just can't do it. I get frustrated when I try to put on my lashes, when I try to pick up anything, my life. Like if my car drops on the floor and I'm not able to pick it up because my nails are too long, that's it. I can't. So I'm just gonna do like my real nails. That's the vibes for today. I'm also gonna get my upper lip waxed. I'm not gonna get my eyebrows waxed. I don't really need it. Let me tell y'all the agenda for next couple of days. I need to book my wax appointment. I tried to call them today. They closed. Did y'all know that European Wax Center was closed on Mondays? Or is that just like the European Wax Center I go to? Because I was shook. I was like, y'all closed. Voicemail. What in the ghetto? I'm gonna try again tomorrow. Hopefully they have availability. And then I'm also gonna pack tomorrow as well. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to the liquor store. I'm going straight to Tampa after work on Thursday. I need everything to be clean. I need everything to be packed and ready. So as soon as it's time for me to go, oh baby, I'm out of there, okay? I'm gonna be gone. Gone like the wind. Thursday is the big day. Thursday's a big day. Hey. Thursday's a big day. Hey. I'm tired already. Look at me. I've been doing all that talking and then be tired.
way. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe for just you and me. You can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grow stronger. Still leave it alone, but you're still getting close. So we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. Now it's going on. I put it in the song.
Yesterday I got my nails done, as you already saw. Yes, there is a couch behind me, however I'm sitting on the floor. I don't know why, but that's beside the point. So I am home from work. I called the European Wax Center and they're fully booked till after 4th of July. Duh, I mean 4th of July weekend. What was I thinking? That's the thing, I wasn't thinking. That was the problem. So I can't get my punani wax. It's just a thing for me to go get my wax, hair, nails done. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's like the necessities. But it's fine. Not my battery dying. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing. We're gonna just pack together. You know what I'm saying? I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be wearing, but that's what we're here for. Y'all can really help me pack, because by the time y'all watch this, I'm already been and enjoyed my vacation, trying to recover from the vacation. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop chitter-chatting. Okay, so these are the pants. Oh, they're cute. I like them. They're a little big right here, and I don't really like that. Okay, teen little booty. For $20, these are fine. Okay, so this is the box that I was telling y'all that I did online shopping spree. It was from Shein. So we got some sweatpants here. Y'all, I went on a shopping spree during like the season of springtime, but bought wintertime clothes because I do stuff backwards like that all the time. I don't know. Stupid. I got some long sleeve shirts. So that's why I wanted like bottoms, because I knew I had a lot of like nice tops that I can wear. I just don't know what bottoms I should have bought because I couldn't remember what blouses I had. I'm over here because I think the lighting may be better. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4 going out clothes, and then I'm gonna do like 6 casual clothes, because even though I am going to Tampa, I'm also going back home too. So I'm just gonna pack all at once, because as soon as I'm done with Tampa, I'm going straight home. I'm gonna definitely wear these long sleeves. This is so cute. So I'm gonna do this. The lighting is not fire. Oh, okay, why did I do that? I'm gonna work my magic off camera, and then I'm gonna get back on camera when I made some progress, and then we'll go from there. I'm getting excited, y'all. Another long sleeve shirt. I'm telling y'all, I literally went winter shopping during summertime.
Battery low.
Learn yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me.
Okay, so quick check-in. I'm thinking about wearing these overalls, not with this shirt that I have on. So these shoes are going to be the shoes that I'm wearing with any of my white outfits, are these. Get them from Charlotte Rouge, y'all. Okay, I put y'all down some, so hopefully you can see the whole bit. I don't think so. I don't think I can see the shoes. I had these overalls for a minute. I'm surprised they still fit. Barely. Yeah, I feel like it's something different. And then I also have this romper too. This is cute. I like this. Oh yeah, we can do her. This is what we're working with so far. I'm gonna actually sort them out and organize it, and then I'm gonna come back, seriously. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got done so far. So 3 pairs of jeans, right? And then with the 3 pairs of jeans, I got 2 blouses to go with it because I don't know which one I want to do. This is an outfit. This is an outfit. That's an outfit. Again, I got different tops for the jeans, and then I also got like some casual clothes too. I gotta pack up my shoes that's going with it, some of my lounge clothes. So I got these shorts right here, then this right here is a 2-piece, 1 2 3, and I also have like these pants too. I'm gonna pair it up with one of these white tops as well. So that's four going out outfits, and then I have casual clothes. That's gonna be good for now. Oh, and I also have another romper, the one that I showed y'all. That's another going out outfit, so that's 5, I believe. Yeah, and that's more than enough. I'd rather have more than have less, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather be prepared than unprepared, so that's why I'm having more outfits than I need to. You always need your options, honey. Mind you, I'm only going there for 2 seconds, but it doesn't matter because it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna go ahead and fold up everything, put it up in my suitcase. Today's Tuesday, so I still have 2 more days till I actually leave, so I'm not gonna pack my like toothbrush and things that I use every single day, deodorant, all that good stuff, but I will pack all my other things like my scrunchies, because my scrunchies I gotta match it with my outfit, all my jewelry, pick my perfumes. I'm gonna pack up my shoes. Oh, I need one more outfit too, because we're supposed to be going to Busch Gardens Friday morning, and then whatever I don't wear to Tampa I can wear if I go somewhere when I go back home. That's the game plan. That's what's going to happen. So y'all about to watch me just go ahead and fold up all these clothes, put it up in a suitcase, put my shoes in a suitcase. Actually, I'm gonna get my scrunchies and lay them out first so I can make sure they all match. Okay, we are finally done here. So I done folded all of my clothes. I have my purses, my scrunchies, underwears, bras, all that good stuff. Casual clothes, like comfy clothes, like whatever, chilling. All my clothes, I'm going out. So this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this suitcase. I have my shoes, some more shoes over there, and then I'll be done for the night. Okay, so these are all my clothes stuff in there. It's nothing fancy. I don't pack my clothes in any type of fancy way. This side, I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in there yet. I am done for tonight. More likely, I'm going to finish everything tomorrow. It is 9:16 at night. This took me longer than I expected because I kept taking breaks. I need to make sure I bring hand sanitizer, Lysol. So yeah, that's really about it. So we're almost done with this video. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. See y'all tomorrow. Wednesday, I think this is day 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 4. But y'all, I'm at the place. But first, as you already saw in the last clip, I had to get gas. I want my tank to be filled. Sis need to be on F on Friday. Feel me? Because baby, tomorrow we out. We getting up out of here. We up out of there.
Boy, if you don't get...
So I'm hyped right now because guess what? We at the liquor store. Me and the liquor store, we have like this bond to where we get along very, very, very well. But if we have too much of each other, it just doesn't work out right. It's just a big old mess. It's like a love-hate relationship, more love than hate until, you know, after, you know. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm like stuck in between if I want tequila or if I want brown. So I am a diehard brown liquor kind of gal. Give me Hennessy, Grammy, Jack Daniels, maybe Crown, apple. No, I don't like apple. Well, I'll drink apple, but I like vanilla more so. I'm a brown kind of girl, long story short. I don't drink white. I'm drinking white if someone has white in their house and we taking shots, okay, yeah. But I prefer my brown. Well, I don't know what's taking over me, but I want tequila. I'm trying to like switch it up. And we about to tear the stove up. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna tear up no stove. I'm just excited. All right. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get in. Hi.
Sorry about the mess. I just.
Oh no, it's fine. It is A-okay.
Right? But I'm really more of a brown kind of girl. That would be so different. So I want tequila. I know how to bottle it, but I don't even know what I'm asking.
Is there a reason you got a camera on you? You know what I mean?
You're looking just a little too hard at me. Standing just a little too close to me. Saying nothing.
Okay, I'm back with the goods, y'all. So I had to stop recording because the man that was working there, he asked me while I was recording, and I just got so embarrassed. Not I got embarrassed, but it was a little awkward, embarrassing. But he thought I was like a competitor trying to compare prices and like record pricing and stuff like that. I'm like, oh no, sir, that's not me. I don't care about that. I just want to get drunk, you know? I could tell he was like uncomfortable with it. So I was just like, no, it's fine. I'll just put my camera away. No big deal, you know, whatever. Just to make him feel better, because I know that's probably a lot of anxiety for him. I had to stop recording, basically, long story short. So when I went in there, I wanted to get Casamigos. That's the liquor that I wanted to get. I just forgot the name of it. When I seen the bottle, that's when I was like, oh yeah, this is what I want. But it was almost $50. And I'm not gonna spend $50 on a bottle. For this vacation weekend, for my birthday and stuff like that, I'll go crazy like that. And I do want to try it, so I think I'm gonna do it like when it's more of a special, heavier occasion, you know what I'm saying? Because it is just me and my line sisters. I don't even think I told you that. I guess he has 2 different liquor stores, I don't know, but he told me in the other liquor store, every time that this bottle goes on the shows, basically gets sold out dumps quick. Is this one right here? I have no idea what it tastes like. I have no idea nothing. I don't even know how to pronounce it, to be 100% honest. But it's tequila, what I wanted, and then it's añejo. That's what he says. So he taught me something today, y'all. I think he kind of felt bad because I had to put my camera away. When you get silver or white, no, not white. When you get like silver liquor, it's a word for it, I can't remember it. But that means it hasn't been aged and it hasn't been in the barrel to take away that strong liquor taste, like that burning. You get that because it's not aged in the barrel or something like that. Something on the lines like that, something like that. So as it gets darker, the more it's aged, and I guess like the more of that burning sensation goes away, so you don't get as much. You still get the liquor, but you don't get that like that burning feeling. Baby, that's me. Don't give me no burn. Just let me get the liquor, let me get drunk. That's it. It's 40% alcohol. I'm super excited for this, y'all. I'm excited for this. I was just like, you know what, I'm sold. That's it, sir. I'm talking about this always is sold out. It's not hype. It tastes good. He said he had it before. Point me to the register because I'm ready. I'm ready. This was $38.33. So I'm about to go home right now. I'm gonna finish packing. I'm going to eat, clean up the house, do all that stuff, and then I'm gonna just finish editing this video, and that's gonna be it. And then we're going to Tampa tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, got somebody. Said you did.
You see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Yeah, pretty ass, bending ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a stink ass flow.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of this video right here. However, I am about to start a new video, which is going to be the Tampa vlog. I'm so excited for that. Be on the lookout for that vlog that's coming up, because I'm sure it's going to be lit. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, peace, and blessings.